Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss the important question on chapter 1, that is real number. One more important question is prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So let us assume that root 5 is a rational number. That implies root 5 equal to p by q. Next step is squaring both sides. We get root 5 square p by q square, that will be 5 equal to p square by q square. When q square multiplied with this, so p square equal to 5 q square. That implies q square is divisible by 5. Therefore, q is also divisible by 5. Next step, let us take p equal to 5r. So p square equal to 5r square equal to p square equal to 25r square. This we are taking equation 1. By putting the value of by putting the value of p square in 1, we get 25r square equal to 5q square. That implies 5r square equal to q square, or r square equal to q square by 5. What does this imply? Q square is divisible by 5. Therefore, q is also divisible by 5. Here we have both the cases we have shown here. Both the cases we have shown here, that the p square is divisible by 5, so p is also divisible by 5, and q square is divisible by 5, so q is also divisible by 5. That means p and q have common factor 5. But we know that in a rational number, numerator and denominator, as you know that p and q are co-prime numbers. In a rational number, numerator and denominator are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means common factor should be 1, but here common factor is 5. So this implies p and q are co-prime numbers whose common factor is 1. From this contradict, our assumption is wrong. So root 5 is an irrational number. As our assumption is wrong, therefore root 5 is an irrational number. If single root over is given, then we have to prove like this. But if a question comes, prove that 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. So in that case, you have to first prove root 5 is an irrational number. Then you prove 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. But in any question, if it is given that root 5 is an irrational number given, then you directly prove that 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Thank you.